Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today, we are going to learn how to display the current date on an Excel sheet without typing it manually with the help of a formula. There are certain formulas that are useful in Excel, and one such formula is the formula to display the current date in an Excel sheet. So usually, when we enter the current dates, we enter it manually. Like for example, today it's 3rd of February. I'm typing it 0302 2023. Okay. So whenever we need to enter the current date, we need to enter it manually. For a big data, it will be too difficult for us. So for that we can use an function that will display the current date automatically. So I will show you the formula for that. Okay, let's start. So we want to enter the current date under here, and the formula for that is the today function. There's a function called today, and the syntax for the function is equal sign today, opening bracket, closing bracket, and click on enter. See, you got the current date automatically. Even if you open this file the next day, means tomorrow, the current date will be 0402, like 4th of February. So it will keep on changing automatically. You do not need to change it manually everywhere. It will keep on changing automatically and display the current date. So I will also show you one thing. If you want to display yesterday's date, okay, means one day back, you can use like today function minus one, means one day back. See, it's 2023. If you want the date of 2 days back, you can put minus two. It will display the date 2 days back. And if you want to display the date after 2 days or 3 days, we can make it accordingly. Like just put the plus sign instead of minus sign. Today plus two. Okay. You will get the date after 2 days, which is after 2 days. Okay. So that's it for today. So I hope you understood the function, today function. It's a very interesting and useful function. So I am sure that it will be useful for you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get updations whenever I upload new videos on this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.